Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas day 6. The time is flying by when it comes to vlogging every day. However, I just made some breakfast. I have egg, sausage, and bagels with some onion chive, cream cheese on it. Today I'm going to be doing some prep baking because I have my cousins coming over to help me decorate my Christmas tree over the weekend, either Saturday or Sunday. I'm going to check in with them probably today because you know how black people are. They're canceled at the last minute. So I want to confirm with everyone today. And yeah, so today should be like an eventful day. Yeah, so let's get the day started. My mom just came in from grocery shopping. She got all this stuff, which means we have to clean out the icebox from Thanksgiving, because you know how sometimes you just let the Thanksgiving food stay there, and now it's time for us to evict it. So this is the before. Don't judge. I'm making my coffee for So now it's gonna be time to work the magic.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are all. These days are all. Share them with me. These days are all. These days are all.
Not a good angle. Okay, you guys, so I'm a kid that grew up on MTV Cribs, and I used to see all the celebrities buying hella water, having hella water in their refrigerator, and not much more, because little did we know those houses were rented. However, ever since then, as soon as I got an adult, I always bought big things of water like this, just to fill up my refrigerator. Cause see, I'm one of those bitches, I don't have no shame in my game. I'll drink some water from the tap in a heartbeat with some ice and call it a day. However, now, ever since I turned, I want to say 17, the first thing I would always buy is a large case of water like this, just because I like the way it looks in an icebox when it's lined up in unison. Maybe it's the OCD in me, maybe it's the wannabe bitch in me, but I always fill up my icebox with a case of water because I love the way how it aesthetically looks. And they all have to be facing the same way.
do. Don't walk away. Yeah, yeah. If you wanna play, come and play today. Let's just get away. Yeah.
And now let's get on to the rest of the stuff because I don't have time to be doing all these slow motion montages over some fucking H2O. Next we got the eggnog because it's not Christmas without it. We can put these in the fridge now.
Grandpa's gonna sue the pants off of Santa. That's what Grandpa's gonna do. Woo-hoo! Grandpa's gonna sue the pants off of Santa, 'cause Grandma would have wanted him to. Woo! Grandpa's gonna sue the pants off of Santa. He knows the law is on his side. Grandpa's gonna sue the pants off of Santa. Santa's going for a ride. Oh, Lord. Grandpa's gonna sue the pants off of Santa. That's what Grandpa's
So now that you see the way I put things down, I'll come back when I'm done. Guys, so I want to thank you for watching today's vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see anything next, if you want me to react to anything next. And I will be back with you tomorrow with a Christmas cookie vlog. So, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. Bye-bye.